It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. We're gonna review the 1985 Dunk Highs Acid Wash Pack. Let's get into this box. Nice old school box. Got your Nike on there, Nike sportswear. First we're gonna start out with, let's see what color we got first. Alright, first we're starting out with the red chili colorway. Look like you got a red and brown. Alright, we got some nice quality leather on these. You got your brown toe box with your red and black, like a splash type. I guess that's what's the acid wash part of it. You got your red shoestrings. You got your brown tongue with the Nike on the tongue. You got your red Nike check. Your yellowish aged bottom colorway. You got your red bottom. In the back, it's got the little black and red acid wash on it with the brown leather, real nice leather quality. You see the inside of it, got your Nike on the inside. Nike's check. Nice shoe. As you can see, they also come with some brown shoelaces. And the shape, I like the way these are shaped. This is how they used to be made back in 1985. So this is the 1985 red wash. One thing about these though, you gotta make sure you size a half a size up because they fit tight. Like I usually wear a size 6 in men, 7.5 in women, but in these I went with a size 6.5 men in a women's 8. So this is a brown pair, brown and red pair. Let's get into the next color. Same color box. The next pair, and this is the lemon drop in black satin color. Alright, let's see what you got. That white and black Nike tissue paper on the inside. Open it up. Okay. Alright. I like this colorway too. This is nice colors. Move this box out the way. Alright, here we go. So we got the black and lemon drop colorway. So I'm gonna call this lemon drop leather right here. Nice texture, nice leather, nice shiny leather too. Also, you got your black and white acid wash leather right here on the toe box. Also, you got your black Nike check. You got your gray bottoms, which is nice. That actually brings the shoe out. And then you got the same in the back, black and acid wash with the yellow lemon drop colorway. They also come with a pair of extra laces. I would call these lemon laces. And then we also got the tongue. Let me get the tongue out of there. It's a lemon tongue with the Nike tag on the tongue with your black laces in there. So this is a nice colorway also. Both of these are nice, very good quality leather on both of them. They're nice. I know they got another colorway coming out that's supposed to be yellow or black. But these two right here are nice. You got your red and chili red colorway. And then you got your black lemon drop colorway. Tell me what y'all think down below. Which colorway you think look the best? Would you go with the red acid wash, or would you go with the black and lemon drop acid wash? Personally, I like both of them, but if I had to choose, outfit wise, I think it would be easier to match up the lemon drop ones because you can just throw on some black and then you'd be good to go with these. But this might be a little bit more harder to find something to wear with it since it's brown and red, but you still can mess it up real good. So y'all let me know below which one y'all think look the best, or did you pick up either one of these two in the pack? And hey, let me know what y'all think. But that's gonna be the end of this video, the end of this review. It's your girl Sneaker Mom. If you like the video, please like and subscribe below. And hey, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.